Hey guys, this is Rachel here from Sistercast, and today we're going to be playing some Flapping Bird. This is a copy of the original Flappy Bird, and today I'll be playing Flapping Bird. Simple as that. Before I started recording, I basically did a test to go see if it was okay, and I only got 8, which isn't brilliant. So let's beat that. Unfortunately, Eleanor's not well today, so she can't join us for our first video, but oh well, let's go. This should be fun. Oh yeah, you've got one. This is game concentration. Halfway there. What? Ugh! Let's go again. I shall not give up. Anyway, wow. That was just amazing. Let's go again. I clicked! Oh, I can just imagine myself raging at this game. I clicked! Ugh! This game is so stupid. You know, why am I playing this? Why? That's my only question. If you can answer that, then I will be very impressed. Because... Ugh, Rachel, just shut up and concentrate. Shut up, shut up, shut up. Let's go. Right, let's go again. We're better than this. We're better than this. We can do this. Fail. Let's go again. Let's go again. Go again. Let's go again. I told you guys I'm not giving up until I get more than 8. Unless the video gets longer than 15 minutes or to 15 minutes, because I'm not really allowed to record for after that long period of time. So yeah. We can do this. We can do this. By the way, guys, if you want to play this game, I'll leave it in the description below. But I don't see why you'd want to play a game like this, because it's so annoying. Let's go again. Oh, sorry, bad throat. Oh, God. Not too well myself right now. Anyway, let's go. Lag, damn. In my throat again. Sorry guys, by the way. Bad throat. Concentrate. This game. You know what, guys? I'm going to end it here because it is so annoying. So, yeah, bye.